Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video number 45, we are going to understand how we can send and receive data between threads in Rust programming language. It's the most important concepts in multi-threading. Let's do it. Same, we have the project here. In this project, once again, I need to create one more module. So I go there and I say thread data.rs. So that I want. So I need to change in module also. So I say thread data like this, and in main also I need to use thread data like this, and this one I am removing right now. No need of this, no need of this also. Now in this I use thread and I use more library is called async. Under the async we have mpsc. Remember that this is multiple producer single consumer, that I'm going to use this. Now I create a function. I say pub fn and I say send data thread, function name. Remember, now here I need to create thread also and send data and receive data. For that I say let th1 equal to thread, and here I say spawn function. Under this closer function we need to execute like this, and here I say some code. I write some code, means some information I want to send. So for sending information, for receiving information, I need this transmitter and receiver from mpsc. So I say let tx and I say rx equal to mpsc. I say channel like this. We have to declare, and we need to specify the type of data we want to send. I say I want to send string type of data like this. Now under this we have to send data. So first of all I created data. So I say ch name, channel name, I say Dr. Vipin classes, and I convert to string here like this. Now I want to send this. So I say tx dot send and I say here ch name dot unwrap. This I want to send. Remember that from this thread I am sending this data, and you see that it's giving an error here that you are sending or using this tx variable. So this tx variable ownership is required to this thread. So here I say move also. So with the help of this move we can transfer the ownership of this to this thread. Remember that. Now I have to receive this value. So I say println and I receive this value here. So I say info received equal to, and here I will display rx dot receive dot unwrap. So that value I am going to display here, which we are sending from this thread. Remember this, we are sending the value from this thread and receiving outside of this thread. So now I call this here. I say thread data, I say send thread data, this function I am calling. Now I run this. I say cargo run, and you will see that this information is sending by the thread and is executing. You see it's receiving by the outer one. So this is the thread sending data and it is receiving. If we have multiple threads sending data, means because it's a multiple producer single consumer, so that means multiple thread can send data. So I create one more thread here. I say thread 2, remember, and here again I want to send data. So I say I have to need to make a clone of this. So I say let tx1 equal to tx dot clone, because I am making a clone of this. tx1 can also send information. So here I am using now tx1 to send information outside, and this information I change the value. I say Dr. Vipin like this. So first thread sending this, second thread sending this, and we have to receive it at the end. So what I do here, I create a for. I say info or message in rx, remember that, and now I want to print this. So I copy this and I paste it here. So information received, and here I need to pass only message. So this message would come from these two threads, and all threads will send information that will be received here, and one by one we will read this information here. So this time we will have a two messages receiving from this thread. So you see, once again I run it and you will see that two messages we will receive from different threads. You see Dr. Vipin classes and Dr. Vipin. You see that both the threads are sending information, thread 1 sending this information and thread 2 sending this information. So in this video we have understand now how to send and receive information between threads in Rust programming language. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.